Welcome to AVIRAZ. Our Kern mantle rope manufacturing process is unique, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability at every stage. It all begins with the selection of high-quality nylon and polyester fibers, known for their strength and flexibility. These fibers are meticulously woven into two key components, the core and the mantle. Core, the inner core bears the load, providing exceptional strength and resistance to tension. Mantle, the outer sheath protects the rope from abrasion and environmental challenges, ensuring durability and long life. Each rope is crafted with precision and care, using state-of-the-art machinery, adhering to the highest quality standards. Finally, every rope undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand any challenge. An AVIRAZ rope is a promise of strength, safety, and reliability. Because when it comes risks, there's no room for compromise. AVIRAZ, safety at every height.